Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's been a while since my last video, and today this is the beginning of March. I wanted to come out here and give you some updates on the gardening activities and tell you how I plan to spend the gardening season. So I'm here in the front yard, and as always I'll be showing you the vegetable garden first, the potager. All the things that you see growing here are from my fall planting. I didn't do much. I started a few seeds, but I'm not going to be doing much this season. Over there are the garlics, and then more garlics there, onions here, leeks there at the back, tulips and all the bulbs that I planted last season coming back this season, looking beautiful. More onions on this side, more garlics here. Here I have some strawberries that are supposed to come up. In here I have a few seeds that I've started. I'm testing out this method of free bait, as they call it in German. I hope they're going to be coming up. So the seeds that I have here are some courgettes and pumpkins. They'll take a while to come up, I suppose, but I just wanted to put them there so that I don't forget them. As you can see, I've already trimmed my lavender hedge. I trimmed it quite low, so I hope it comes back. So in the grow bags there, I've put in some peas, and I'm hoping that they will just grow and trellis up those bamboo sticks. In the middle there is my fig tree. Over there is a chestnut tree. And on the flower side of the front yard, I do have a few containers. I mean, most of these things, I've not done much planting. I have some new pansies here. So this bed, you know it basically. If you see I have some videos in which I show how I put these beds together. And all the things that you see growing here are the things that I planted last season. I'm happy to see that the bulbs are coming back. Everything is looking pretty much good and ready for the season. So I'm thinking that we're going to have a lot of blooms in spring over here, because all the bulbs seems to be coming back pretty nicely. All the plants, most of them survived the cold winter and are sending out new shoots. I have pruned all my hydrangeas already. I could cut that one back a little bit more. Over here is a maple tree, and here is my hedge of hydrangea. This is the hydrangea hedge. No fresh shoots yet. I did trim it back quite low. The alliums that are coming back this season, more daffodils here, alliums there at the back. So this is the limelight side of the hydrangea bed. So over here is the hydrangea bit, the limelight bit of it, and that way would be the Annabelle hydrangea. So I have a few projects coming up, like dividing the hydrangeas here. This is the rescue hydrangea that I got from my neighbor. It's an Annabelle hydrangea and it's huge. So I got two like that, and I divided it. I divided one already, potted it up, did that yesterday. And I still have some bare roots here that I'm going to be burying in some containers to see if they come up. There's really not much gardening going on in the backyard here. I did have way too many garlic and onions to plant, so I just dropped a few back here, and I'm supposed to be seeing some asparagus coming up here. Yeah, let's see how that goes. So still a long way before everything is green back here, but things are coming back pretty much. This is the sedum autumn joy that I transplanted a few, last season. Really looks to be coming back pretty nicely this season. So yeah, I need to do some cleanup here and there, but yeah, everything is set. I'm not going to be adding many things this season. You can see that we have some bulbs coming up here as well. I need to cut back some of these canes, the raspberry canes here, but I'm going to wait until they have some leaves on them. And those that do not have leaves, I'm just going to remove them. It's quite interesting how different they are. Some of them are already producing leaves like this one here, and some of them are just still showing no sign of life. The one that I'm mostly looking forward to seeing new growth on would be the dormant red here, because that one is really the best. It produces the best fruits, it has the best taste. So it'll be interesting to see what it looks like. And that is part of the hydrangea exercise that I'm currently doing right now. Yeah. So yeah, this is the backyard. It is spring, actually not quite spring yet, late winter, and yeah, there's not much to see at this moment. Here is my strawberry tower. No real new growth on it as of now. I still need to clean up my polytunnel here and try to bring back these grow bags in a state of producing things. But I have a few things here that I can share with you. I don't know if this is a healthy looking sweet potato something. They're not looking like they're receiving what they need to survive, but I hope they do survive. The slips comes from my sweet potato of last season, and I just decided to cut them and put them here, hoping to see something growing. They're not looking very happy right now, but I hope that they make it through. Here I have potted up more of my dahlia tubers, and I hope to start seeing some growth on them soon. So more dahlias in these boxes. All right people, so that was it. This is the garden as of the month of March, early March. I mean, things are not looking very alive back here, but I've noticed that this season the forsythia is looking, wow, it looks as if it's going to be giving us lots of blooms this season. I've never seen it this healthy. So that could be something to look forward to. It's going to turn all yellow. You can see that already here. Look at that. Quite interesting. Wow. All right. So thanks so much for watching, and see you in our next video. Bye bye.